What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're installing the LASFIT LED high beams. This is the LSplus. So this is a 9005 socket type. It's a universal fit, but it is the most high power high beam that they have. Try and get the glare out of there at 36 watts per bulb and 4,000 lumens per bulb. So I already have the regular ones in. We're gonna go ahead and put these in and see how they do. So right off the bat here, we'll pop that top cover off. We have the manual, we got the stickers, and we have the bulb themselves. So unlike the other bulbs that are in the truck currently, these do have a driver. So this is actually what reduces the voltage. Halogens need more power. I don't know if it's voltage, but more power. So this reduces the power into the bulb so it doesn't get hot. The other ones don't have that. So let's go ahead and pull the driver's side out and get this one in and take a look. All right, so just like we did last time, we're on the passenger side. The 5 T15 screws, pull those out, and we're working right here. All right, y'all, so it turns out, for whatever reason, the bulb has separated from the teeth that hold it in. So I can pull the bulb out, but not the actual locking part. I'll show you here. So the bulb comes out, and as we can see on this one, there's the teeth, and these parts actually go in and lock in. So the locking part is stuck in there, and now I need to try and get it out. You can see that silver part still in there. So I went inside and I found some needle nose and a rubber band, and I'm hoping that I can friction this thing out. Neither option worked. It looks like I'm gonna go get some super glue, tack this thing back up, and hopefully that works out. We'll see. All right, y'all, so we're back from the store with some super glue, and against better judgment, I'm gonna try and glue, like in this area, into that little twisty housing. And just to make sure, we're on the driver's side now, I took the driver's side off and the same exact thing happened. So let's see if I can get this in. I can't get that in there. So what's going on is that silver part, it's not gonna focus. That silver part is supposed to be attached to the bulb, so it'll twist out. Let's go ahead and give some super glue a shot. All right, so no need to wait for it to fully cure. It's been about 10 minutes, and we're gonna see if we can get this Johnny out. I only put like 3 little drops on it because I don't want to get these things stuck in there. All right, y'all, so pro tip, when the super glue doesn't work, if you take some electric tape and a deep socket, you can finally get this dang thing out. Just jam it up against there. I pushed it real hard. You can see it's holding on pretty good. So now that we finally got that dang thing out, we can see electric tape that was just like 2 wraps around, and this stupid piece of crap finally came out. We can get the new one in. Electrical tape is winning today. I got this little piece of rubber band stuck in before I used the electrical tape, and so I just put a bunch of it on the end of my ratchet extension because that piece was stuck inside the housing and it got out. I didn't even film it. I didn't think it was gonna work. I love electrical tape. Anyway, let's get this new headlight installed. What a doggone pain in the butt. So they go in, but they're not at the right angle in any way, shape, or form, which means I gotta pull it back out and adjust it with that Allen wrench. At least these I could just spin. I also want to show y'all something. So if you look at this headlight, this is the one that was stuck. There's a little notch there, and then on the plastic housing, there's a little notch. So if you spin it an entire revolution, wow, nice job, camera. Okay. If you spin it an entire revolution all the way around, it will eventually catch back up to that notch, and it should come out. You won't have to do all the monkeying that I just did. All right, adjustment complete. Let's plug her in. Very nice, great success. Wow, it's a massive pain in the butt, but you can fit the driver down in there. So we got it all tucked away. I'm gonna go plug the other stock one in, the other previous one in, and let's do a comparison. All right, so the driver's side, let's see. Driver's side is the new one, passenger side is the old one. Honestly can't tell a difference. So now that it's taken me about 17 hours to change 2 headlights, let's go ahead and see if the trick works on the passenger side, and we'll try and get her done. Oh Lord, we have light. Well, now that that fiasco is over with, ask me how I feel about it in the morning.
Alright y'all, so here's a video of us taking the truck off-road on a trail, I guess, looking for some camping spots earlier this week. So the lights have been on the truck for about a week at that point, and I can say they are noticeably brighter than the other LASFIT LED high beams that they'd sent me. The only complaint I have is that installation, which I guess was related to the previous ones. These went in just fine, but taking them out was a pain in the butt. However, they're super bright, super awesome, and they're good for trail driving at night like this. I did boost the lift in this video quite a bit, so it doesn't look as dark as it was in person, but the high beams lit up the trail beautifully, and I mean, even on the highway and stuff like that, looking for animals in the bushes. Great upgrade, I would say. Definitely worth it. So brightness, 5 out of 5. Install, 5 out of 5 was easy. Removal of the other ones, 0 out of 10. Did not have a good time.